pretend. Just have them, make them yours. Enter directly. Open the door.